So what I want to do now is, in the previous video I sewed the side entrances of the pocket. So the next one is now we're going to attach the pocket. So the method that I'm going to use is slightly different, and I hope that it will work out nicely. Is I'm sewing the inside first, and let's see if I can stick to that stripe there. I think it's more or less here, and make sure everything is now sort of aligned there. I'm going to try my best to stick to that black line there, and then we'll see how it turns out. Normally I don't I normally do the inside stitch here, but this one is slightly more difficult because we're working with this printed pattern here. So on this cloth, so we'll see. So I'm sticking to that line there. Hopefully the pocket will be straight and we won't have troubles, and everything will still line up because we're going to fold the pocket back now. Now let's see. Okay. So this stitch is inside. So what it does is it makes the pocket a little bit more neat on the top. So let us turn it over now and see what we've got here. So it's nicely aligned. Everything looks fine. Here it's aligned. It runs on that black stripe there. Nice, looks nice here, and it looks nice there as well. So I think, so the next step that we're going to do is we're going to do the top stitch here now. And this is the normal top stitch that you would do if you fold the pocket open. So there was this extra stitch. Now I'm glad that it turned out nicely. Everything looks sort of aligned here. In any case, it's too late now because the pocket on top is already attached, but all the lines are running straight here. That's what we want. We just want that integration here to be sort of look straight. Okay, so I think this turned out fairly nice. Turn it here at the back, and now we're just going to do the bottom. So the this fold up here looks very nice now, neat and clean, and it looks very professional. So now we're going to do the sides here. Now with the sides, you have to be very precise here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it basically the top stitch here, but I'm continuing at the bottom so that there's a stay stitch, and then do the top again. So let's see here. As long as everything here aligns, then I'm happy. So let's take this out. Make sure our pocket aligns there with the top part. Just there. Take this pin out. Okay, and now I'm going to do the stay stitch at the bottom to make sure the pocket, when we do the overlocking later for the waistband, then everything is nicely in place. Make sure this looks straight here. Everything looks good there. Okay. And make sure all our stuff is aligned here and it looks nice. So both the pattern on the pocket and the panel is aligned. Back stitch there. And then the last part here. And then hopefully everything looks perfect. I like working with these patterned textiles because it's a little bit of a challenge, a little bit more careful when you do this your sewing. But in any case, it looks very nice. The pocket, both sides look nice. We've got the integration here with a pattern that looks good. Here at the bottom, the stitches look good. The top stitching, and here we've got the stay stitch. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to attach the front and the back panel with each other.